Hi everyone, today we are going to be going through the top 10 skincare mistakes that you need to stop doing if you're wanting healthier, fresher, glowier, plumper, fuller, more youthful looking skin. If you are doing any of these 10 skincare mistakes, you are preventing yourself from having the skin of your dreams. So we are getting straight on with it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Gemma. I am 44 years old, a trained esthetician and beauty therapist here in the UK. My background is skincare. I no longer practice in a clinic or a salon as my full-time job is now this. My skin is dry combination, very temperamental, blemish prone, so I have a little bit of everything. On this channel, we focus on makeup for the ordinary person, plus a lot of skincare videos into the mix. So if you are interested in that, I would love it if you would press the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos like these. Skincare mistake number one. You've heard me talk about this so often, and yet so many of you are still making this mistake, and it blows my mind. So if you are not wearing an SPF on a daily basis, you are doing your skin a great disservice. And I am talking about rain or shine, summer and winter. SPF on a daily basis is so super important because if you are investing in skincare, whether that be affordable skincare or luxurious skincare, the whole purpose of skincare is to protect your skin against skin damage and also reverse any skin damage that has happened in previous years. And you cannot do that if you're causing skin damage at the same time by not wearing an SPF. And believe me, that damage, you may not see it for a while, but you will eventually see it, and then you will regret not wearing an SPF on a daily basis. So just wear the sunscreen. Next skincare mistake. Copying somebody else's skincare routine very rarely ends in the success that you want it to. So a lot of people ask me what products my mum uses in her skincare routine, and we do often do her skincare routine and film it and show you it all on this channel. However, we do put a disclaimer right at the very beginning saying that just because my mum loves these products and has great success with them doesn't mean that you will have the same experience. You have to find a product that works for your individual skin and your individual skin needs. And by copying somebody else's routine doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be targeting the issues that you need to target. So for me, it's a big mistake and often ends in a lot of wasted money. That leads me quite nicely onto the next skincare mistake, and this could quite easily be tagged on to the last skincare mistake. This one is throwing products at your skin without knowing what those products are actually going to achieve. What are they going to do for your skin? And also putting together a skincare routine without sitting down and assessing what you want to achieve. What areas of your skin do you want to target? Is that discoloration and pigmentation? Is that texture? Is that blemishes? Is that dryness? Is it fine lines and wrinkles? What are you wanting to achieve out of your skincare? So without knowing that, it's very difficult to put a skincare routine together. But you can seriously streamline your routine if you actually know what you want to achieve, because a lot of products will do very similar things. So you don't need to throw everything at your skin to get real success. Next up, applying your skincare with your clothes on. This seems like a weird one. I am not saying you have to stand there completely stark naked to apply your skincare. However, I think this is an important one, so please hear me out. If you're applying your skincare with your clothes on, if you are fully clothed, say you've got a top on like I have today, the likelihood is I like to start my skincare off with my face, and then I take it all the way down my neck to the top of my bust. That way I know I have everywhere. If I was applying my skincare today with this top on, my skincare would stop here because I wouldn't want to get it on my clothes, so I would just be applying it to around about here on my neck. Gravity takes the neck quite disastrously as we get older, and if you're not looking after the bit at the bottom, it's a little bit like sandblasting the bottom of a wall. If you sandblast the bottom of a wall, the bottom of the wall is what holds all the weight. If you don't protect that bit of the wall, over time that's going to corrode and the rest of the wall's gonna fall down. So you really do need to make sure you are getting everywhere with your skincare, especially where the neck is concerned. So for me, I know this is a little bit of a strange one for me to be saying, but I would apply your skincare when you have your dressing gown on or when you are just in your underwear. I would do it that way, and then at least you know, face, take it down your neck, take it to the top of your bust, you know you're covered. That goes for SPF as well. Mistake number 5, not listening to your skin. And this is such a big one. I see this time and time and time again. In fact, again, a lot of people DM me over on the other platform saying, I've got really bad irritation. I've got a lot of redness and a lot of itchiness around my chin area or wherever it is. And I'm using this product on a Monday and then this product on a Tuesday, this product on a Wednesday. What should I do? And the answer is, when your skin is telling you to stop, you need to stop. You don't have to stop forever. You just have to stop for a little bit and give your skin a break. So just because you have a strict routine and you're seeing great results from that strict routine, maybe you're using a retinoid on one day, an acid on another, it doesn't mean you have to be so strict with yourself. Be flexible. If your skin is saying it needs a break, give it a break. It's a little bit like when you go over on your ankle. If you've hurt your ankle, next day you don't go out for a full-on run. Maybe you do some arm exercises instead if you're wanting to be fit, but you leave off the leg and you give it a rest. Otherwise, it's not going to get better. It's not going to heal. And it's exactly the same with your skincare. So if your skin is crying and saying, leave me alone, you need to leave it alone. Up at number 6, over exfoliation. I completely get how people can become a little bit obsessed with exfoliation because you exfoliate your skin at nighttime and you wake up in the morning and your skin looks glowy and youthful and just brighter. But do it too often and you can have the opposite effect where your skin is seriously dehydrated, not very plump at all, because all of the moisture that you're trying to drill into your skin is able to evaporate out of an impaired skin barrier because you've over exfoliated the skin. If you want really healthy, youthful, plump skin and you want your skin to be glowy as well, 2 to 3 times a week max is all you need to be exfoliating your skin. So if you do have blemish or acne prone skin, you may be able to get away with exfoliating a little bit more often, but with a very gentle exfoliating cleanser. I wouldn't really be exfoliating my skin with anything like a serum based product every single day. So you do have to look at your products and know what ingredients are in your products, because often exfoliating acids are hidden within cleansers, also within toners, within serums and some creams. So if you're using all of those together, you are seriously overloading your skin with a lot of exfoliating ingredients. So you may only be using those ingredients 3 times a week, but you're using them in abundance and your skin will be overloaded with those exfoliating ingredients and really not talk to you for quite a while afterwards. Mistake number 7, and I think this is really important. It may not be important to absolutely everybody, but if you are a blemish sufferer or if you are acne prone, you need to listen to this mistake. Using a hand towel or a body towel to dry your skin when you've washed your face is a big no-no for me. So let's just look at why you use a hand towel and why you use a body towel. Not to be too graphic, but if you've been to the bathroom and then you need to wash your hands afterwards, very rarely do you wash your hands for long enough to get every single bit of bacteria off your hands, and then you're drying your hands on the hand towel and getting bacteria on that hand towel. So you then don't want to be applying that bacteria all over your skin. Also, the body towel, if you get out of the bath or out of the shower, you're drying your body. There are parts of your body that hold a lot of bacteria, and once again, you don't need to be transferring that bacteria onto your face. So I would always suggest having a separate towel for drying your face if you are blemish prone or acne prone. That way, it's just one towel, you know exactly where it's been, and you can wash it more frequently. That would be my advice. And it's a major bit of advice that I was given a long time ago with my skin, and it made the world of difference. Up next, and similar to mistake number 7, if you're not changing your pillowcase frequently, that is a huge mistake for your skin. And I'm not just talking to people who are blemish or acne prone. However, if you do have those concerns, this is even more important to you. But this is a hygiene issue. Who wants to be spreading bacteria all over their skin as they sleep? I definitely do not. However, I am a drooler. TMI, sorry, but I am. So the bacteria from my mouth is going on my pillow and then transferring onto my skin. Also, the bacteria from my hair. I don't wash my hair every day. I like to wash my hair every 2 to 3, maybe even 4 days, because I've been told that's what's best for my hair. However, it's not best for my skin when that bacteria is going on my pillow and then being transferred onto my face. Also, the bacteria from my hands as I'm clutching my pillow to find a comfy spot goes back onto my face. And if I am wearing skincare in the evening, which I always am, sometimes I do lay my head on my pillow when my skincare is still slightly tacky. That then transfers onto my pillow, harbors bacteria, transfers back onto my face. So I just need to change my pillowcase to a fresh, clean pillowcase at least once a week. If you are blemish or acne prone, double that up and change it twice a week. Honestly, it's such a simple thing. It doesn't need to be an all singing, all dancing, really luxurious pillowcase. It just needs to be clean. Mistake number 9, not using your skincare consistently, also not using it for long enough, expecting miracles, being disheartened because you're not seeing those results quick enough, throwing away that new lotion, potion or cream or device, and then seeing a brand new one that's come on the market, going out and buying that one, and the cycle just keeps on going and you're just living in a world of disappointment. Honestly, I see this all the time with my mum. And it's so infuriating, but I completely understand where she's coming from. So skincare is a slow burn. You are never going to get immediate results with skincare or devices. So you need to take before images. Take before images before you start using the new cream, lotion, potion or device. And then wait at least 6 months and take after images and compare and contrast. And hopefully whatever that cream, lotion, potion or device targets, you will see an improvement within that area. But it is a slow burn. Please don't expect miracles. If you use it consistently, if you use it for long enough, you should see results. Should. Obviously, everyone is going to see those results in differing time frames. Generally, as a rule of thumb, I would say some people see results in as little as 3 months, depending on the treatment. Others, it may take a year, but other people will notice the improvements in your skin before you do, generally, because you see your skin every single day, and they may not have seen you for a couple of months, and they will see you and say, wow, you look amazing. And generally you haven't noticed, but other people will. And finally, mistake number 10, jumping into those high strength formulas, those acids, vitamin C's, retinoids before your skin can tolerate them. Not working your way up through the strengths because you think that the higher the strength, the better the results and the quicker you're going to see those results. And actually, you can actually put your skin on the rewind. So your skin may become really irritated, red, sore. You can disrupt the skin barrier, so you can get a lot of dehydration in the skin, when actually, if you'd just been patient, work your way up through the strengths, your skin would flourish. So it's a little bit like if you were going to try a curry for the first time, say. If you were going to try a curry for the first time, you wouldn't go into your local Indian restaurant and order the hottest curry on the menu, because that would be way too much. Your palate wouldn't be able to cope with it. Your tongue on your stomach probably wouldn't be able to tolerate it either. So you try something quite mild on your first visit, or something middle of the road, and you work your way up through the strengths to get to that really spicy curry at the end of it. And let's face it, not everybody is going to want to try that really spicy curry because not everybody is going to be able to tolerate that level of spice. And that is exactly the same with skincare. So find a product that works for you that you can tolerate. Work your way up from really mild strengths, middle of the road. If your skin just about tolerates middle of the road, don't move on any further because your skin's still getting the benefits from a slightly weaker strength. You don't need to put your skin through all that aggravation if it doesn't need it. So, hope that analogy made sense anyway. Now I'm hungry. So I hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know if you commit any of these skincare sins. I won't judge you, I promise. I have been guilty of many of these in the past, so you will not be on your own, I promise you. Please don't be shy. Let everybody know in the comments section. Also, if you have any other skincare mistakes you want to share with everybody, please list those in the comments section as well. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Come and join the family, and hope to see you all in the next one. Bye, everyone.